Hello everyone, here are simple steps to lock formulas in Excel. First, click on the top left corner of the spreadsheet to highlight the entire spreadsheet. Now, right click and then click on Format Cells. Now go to this Protection tab and then unclick the locked box and then click OK. Now, in order to select cells containing formulas, let's go ahead and use go to special function. In order to do so, under this Home tab, click on Find and Select, then click on Go to Special, and then you'll notice that there is a Formulas tab here where the options are selected for numbers, logicals, text, and errors. Now go ahead and click OK. You'll notice that the formulas or the cells containing formulas are highlighted. Now right click and then go to Format Cells again, and then under Protection click on Locked Box and then click OK. Now if you see, I typed in some letters and I was able to change the or edit the cells. Hence, what we'll need to do to protect the cell is utilize the Protect Sheet function, which is under Review tab. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on Protect Sheet and then type in password. After I typed in the password, now I tried to edit the formula cell and I got this error. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Now, if I try to edit this cell, the one which doesn't have any formulas, you'll notice that you're able to change the values in that cell. But let's try it again for another cell with the formulas. I tried to type in a number and I got this error again. So we have now protected these cells containing formulas. In order to unlock these cells, what we'll need to do is go to Unprotect Sheet and then type in the password and click OK. Now if I try to change the values or edit the cell, I can still edit the cells. So this is how you can lock the formulas in Excel. Hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you all. Bye-bye.